Hey people, Jay here and welcome to my channel. So today's video is a continuation of a video that I did with my old vanity. So without further ado, let's get started with this video.
It's been 3 days since I've seen you, and I just can't forget, girl, gets worse. I spend all night trying to feel good, trying to forget about you. I can't forget about you. Oh, I can't explain just what you've done to me. It feels like the rain.
So if you saw last week's video, which I will link in the description box below, I got rid of my old vanity and gave that to my daughter. So what you see here is my husband putting together the new vanity for me. He insisted on putting this together, so I just let him half at it and get it done.
My heart can only take so much before it falls down and hits the ground. I wanna love you, I'm not allowed, 'cause if I hurt you then we'll go down. Oh, I can't explain just what you've done to me. It feels like the rain is pouring all over me. You make me feel free. I wanna believe in you, believe in you. Oh, I just gotta know, will we live forever? And if I let you go, oh baby, I just gotta know, I just gotta know, will you be here forever? And if I let you go, oh baby, I just gotta know.
This vanity was purchased from Amazon. I will leave the link in the description box below if you are interested.
Oh, I just gotta know, will we live forever? I gotta know, and if I let you go, oh baby, I just gotta know.
As you will see towards the middle part of this video, I did end up helping my husband with putting some things together with the vanity. Okay, so now we're at the halfway mark where my husband is pretty much done with putting together most of the vanity. He's just putting in the screws there to put the drawer in. So I'm showing that there, so how I'm going to have to be able to have to clean this off because it's like dirty, but it looks nice though.
Okay. Let's look a little bit back.
Ooh, wee. From the bottom here? Maybe it's not so far close here, only because wait a minute, babe.
My meter's going crazy.
Wait a minute before you do that.
I'm up to 200,000 microsieverts.
This in first.
It's already
For a while, my husband and I, towards this part, were putting the vanity together. We were watching TV. We were watching the show, I Can See Your Voice, I believe it is. So anyway, that's what we were doing. So if you see him looking up, that's what he's doing. He's watching the show while we are putting the remaining pieces of the vanity together. At this point, we were putting together the seat part of the vanity.
You just always been a tighter rush that I've been laid back, yeah. I don't wanna skip steps, you know that. So if you're with it, then say yeah. I just need a little bit of patience. You need me, I know that you've been waiting. Down my number twice, promise I'll pick up the line. I see you worried, don't gotta ask why. You like it, I know that you like it. You like it, yeah, you like it. I know that you like it, you like it. You said that you were down just yesterday, hoping you'll stick around and wait for me. I see you wanna come up, but don't switch up on me. Yeah, I know that you, I know that you, I know that you, I know that you. You said that you were down, hoping you'll stick around, hoping you'll be around for me. You said that you were down, you said that you were down, you said that you were down, you said that you were down.
And here we are. The vanity is lit up at this point, just showing you guys how things look with the lights on. And here it is without the lights on. I just love how it turned out. I am so happy that I have this brand new vanity. Well, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more content. Usually I do cleaning, decluttering, and organizational type of content. Occasionally I will do videos that are outside of that type of content. But if you like that type of content, be sure to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next one.